The available seat warmers and air ventilation on your Hyundai are easy to control. To control the seat warmers, press the seat warming button. Depending on your vehicle, it may be located near the climate control panel or on the center console. Pressing the button in succession will change the temperature from high to medium to low to off. You can also press and hold the button to turn the seat warmers off immediately. The seat warmers will automatically control the seat temperature when it's set to high by reducing the setting to medium after 30 minutes and then to low after another 30 minutes. You can easily override this at any time by selecting the temperature you want. If your vehicle is equipped with rear seat warmers, the controls will be located on the rear of the front armrest. On most Hyundai models, the rear seat warmers will operate the same as the front seat warmers. Vehicles equipped with air ventilated seats will have the controls located near the seat warmer controls. The operation is similar to the seat warmers, with the high, medium, and low settings controlling the fan speed. However, the air ventilation will not decrease the settings over time as the seat warmers will. If you set the air ventilation to high, the airflow speed will vary depending on vehicle speed. It may take a few minutes after activating the feature to feel the temperature change. This is normal. Be sure to use the air ventilated seats with the air conditioning on for more effective ventilation. On models with rear climate control, additional cooling may be felt if cool air is directed to the rear floor under the seats. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.